everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Wildix WPA SIP public announcer and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now there's two main reasons you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this announcer not connecting or not working or responding, or if it's not turning on, just any kind of issues like that that you're trying to fix can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now you will need to set it up again because all of the configurations will be wiped off of the device. And that's really the second reason you might want to do this. If you're trying to set this up on a new network or in a new place, or just for whatever reason where you want to get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box, we can go ahead and do that quite simply. So on this unit, all you're going to need is to get a paper clip or something like that, where you're going to be able to come in and press the recessed reset button right here. And what you'll need to do for this to work is you'll need to just make sure it's not a pin that's too sharp or something like that, but you can use a pin. You need to press, and you'll feel the button push in here. Just press and hold this button for 3 seconds. After 3 seconds, it will initiate the factory default reset.